Some of the things that make Quanex a great place to work is what I would call a family-oriented type business, right? We're all on the same team. We're in it together, we win together, and we lose together. And that's exciting to me. It's exciting to the people on the floor. They got ownership in it, and it makes it easier to win when you got that buy-in from all your people. I think over the last 3 years, we've watched our lives change so much where we have to be better every day. And that means we have to be more efficient. We have to be more eager to take care of the customers. And we have to win their business. And it's never been more important than it is today. I'm the plant manager of the plant in Wahpeton, North Dakota. So I'm responsible for that factory. I'm responsible for those people. And when people come to work every day, they know their targets are my targets and vice versa. We're all on the same page. We know what we got to hit. And that's what we go after. That's why we're hitting safety records. We're hitting EBITDA records. Performance is at levels it's never been. And I think that's all about accountability all the way through the plant.
Every employee is important and matters in our organization and can have a meaningful impact on our business. And ensuring a safe environment, properly compensating them, giving them benefits, continuing education opportunities, all those things are things that we do. And we're not just a putting together pieces company. I mean, we're more holistic than that. I think everybody understands where the company is headed, what we're about. You know, we had a little fun at the same time, and that we're real people. So every employee can have a positive impact on the organization, and that what they do matters.
Some of the products we make at our facility is primarily doors and drawers for kitchens and bath. Where Quanex comes into place is, hey, if you need it, we'll build it. And that's exciting, is especially for new products and new opportunities, new customers. If we can pick it up, I think we can turn new business on, and we have the desire to do it fast. Quanex is set apart from the competition because I think they've got the power. We've got the cash flow to invest. We've got a strategic leadership team that wants to grow and wants to get bigger, and that's what's impressive to me. I want to see that, I want to feel that, I want to win, they want to win, and that's what makes it exciting. I get a sense of pride in the manufacturing environment when I know that I'm providing a good product and we're putting it in people's homes and we're improving people's quality of life.
You know, that gives you a sense of pride in manufacturing something that's important to people. The kitchen's the center of the home. So in a lot of cases, people are going to invest in their homes. They need to build new homes. And the story is bright for our industry, whether it's windows, cabinets, millwork, all those markets are going to be robust going forward.
Customers have options. We cannot lose that business. We have to be the employer and supplier of choice. First of all, we need to be on time and complete. Customers want it, they know it. That's a service that we can sell. In Wahpeton, North Dakota, we're at 99.5% on time and complete year to date. Our quality levels and our DPM numbers are at record levels. We're hitting safety records, we're hitting EBITDA records. If you look at the metrics, they're at record numbers. This plant, we've never been here, and that's the best thing that we have going today. We have to make sure that we prioritize our people. People, your team will decide if you're going to win or lose. They're getting the safety records. It's not me. They're hitting these EBITDA numbers. I can't do this myself. That team supporting our mission and our goal is absolutely outstanding.
I think our employees have seen an increased level of communication and visibility. So we're actually going out to the plants now and having regular meetings and updates. So they have a chance to see us, understand who we are as people, and basically communicate and reinforce that message by being in person at our locations. So as an employee, I think the message is the organization cares about you. You matter. We want you to be safe. And we have ways that you can grow in your personal life and professional life along the way.
Every day is something different, and every day is a challenge. And when I'm not challenged, I get bored. And then when you get bored, it's no fun. It's challenging, and it's rewarding based on you watching what you can build, produce, ship on time, and you build it with your hands. And that's what's been motivating me for the past 30 years. It is my passion. It's a lot of activity. That's what I enjoy about it. Just a lot of fast pace and a lot of energy. In Wahpeton, North Dakota, we are a part of something bigger.